Hello everybody, I'm Alex Lin and I'm the brains behind Fabricated. Fabricated is a YouTube channel where I film myself making things that I like in hopes that the viewers like you would find them useful in the future. And I originally started my videos by having an overhead view where I had my tripod set against my desk at a really weird angle, which was really helpful for the viewers to understand what was going on, but it was really hard for me to work around and I didn't understand how other DIY channels did that. And so I changed my format to make it easier for myself to prioritize me because I'm important. Besides that, I changed it to like face-to-face kind of format because it was more fun and personal. Alright, let me get this done. But it definitely limited my DIYs. But some of the struggles I experienced with this YouTube channel was thinking of DIYs in the first place because, again, they had to be cool and fun for me, but useful for y'all. And another thing was funding those DIYs because no matter how many coupons Michaels and Joann's would throw at you, their prices are still whack. Don't get me wrong, they're pretty, but Michaels, $9? So I went to the Dollar Tree and the Walmart section, like the crafting section, definitely not a choice because everything was like destroyed, opened, and just a big mess. The time it took some of the DIYs was wild because when I first started, they had like the overhead view. I was able to use like Mod Podge and stuff, and some stuff took like 3-4 days to be completed. Let the avocado dry for 30 minutes. I'm going to sleep, so it's gonna be real dry. And I'm kind of glad I switched to the face-to-face format because they're simpler DIYs that take a lot less time, and they're a lot more fun. The biggest struggle I've had, not surprisingly, was myself because I procrastinate through every schedule I've ever made, and it was no different this year, which is why my schedule, like upload schedule, was whack. But besides all of the struggles, I think that this was a really good experience and it was really fun, and my favorite video was the cake video because I got to share that cake with a lot of people, and trust me, they all loved it. They all complimented me, and I love being complimented, so I put that video at the top of my list. And I hope you enjoyed the experience. I definitely did. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.